They made a mistake at the back. They put artworkly on it. Artworkly, L-Y artwork, L-Y artworkly, and that artwork fly. May that scratch me. Oh Lord. Guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that shampoo, you know.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's day 14 of vlogmas or artmas. So I'm here to give you a bit of update on the hair. I have forgotten to give you the update of the hair earlier in the day. It's actually night time now. So first of all, the do-rag did not fall off my head any at all, and I went on the road. When I was going on the road, I sprayed some of my aloe vera spray in it to ease the itching. Guys, my ear would have itch out my day life. That's how it go, right? My ear itch me. My ear itch me. Even though it has scratched me. But not prolong. So when I came back from off the road, I put on my do-rag. And here it is, guys. Oh, Jesus mercies. Woo. God. Alright, so that's the hair, guys. Still in a bun. I put some of the aloe vera spray in it. I don't want to take it out yet because I don't want to blame it on anything as yet, on me pulling out my hair. So it's still in a bun. I'm going to leave it in the bun for the 1 week as I mentioned, and just moisturize as necessary. Alright guys, so today I went on the road. I collected some packages. I collected my blouse. I got another set of blouse, guys, but I don't really like them. Let me show you. Alright guys, so I got another set of blouse. So this one, so it's our YouTube artwork fly, subscribe, and this one can definitely come off easily. Now, as I mentioned, if you're watching the videos, they made a mistake at the back. They put artworkly on it, artworkly, L-Y artwork, L-Y artworkly, and an artwork fly. So this is how they had to cover it. I don't like it. I prefer it looking like this. And you can see that it is coming off. See there? It is coming off. I would have to put some glue on it or something. So it's coming off. Most of them is coming. All of them are come off once you touch it too hard. So you know, so when we do that one wash, all my money gone down the drain. So definitely will not go back to that place. And this is yellow. Why would you put this in white? This should have been black, and if anything, this would have been white, then the words be black, or the words be black, simple. So definitely not going back. For the embroidery, they did well with the embroidery, so probably only embroidery I would do with them. But this one, it's a no for me. I've seen where other persons have gotten their blouse or their shirt done something similar to this, and it's clean, it's nice, no mistake, and it lasts. So this is a no for me. Definitely a no. So I can truly say I don't like this one. The other ones I do like. So I think it would have been better if I got the stencil done. But we see how this works when I wash it. Alright guys. But this is definitely not it. Look how look how it's nasty. Look how the glue right here is so coming off. So this is definitely not it. But yes, it was 1, 2, 3, 4. It was actually 5, but I wore the gray one before I gave it to the company. So these are my blouse, alright guys. So I have a t-shirt like blouse, I have a work shirt like blouse, and I have like a little normal throw on something blouse. Alright, so I went for this, and I worked for a package for my husband. I don't even remember what him getting there. Oh yeah, some work stuff. So after that I went grocery shopping. I did not get any footage in the grocery store. One, I was tired. I felt like you guys have already seen the grocery shopping twice, so I didn't want to go back and do that. So guys, let me know if you want me to continue to show you what I buy in the stores and the receipt and stuff like that. So let me know, comment down below and let me know. After that I came home and packed the groceries and took care of the house and the kids. Yes, so after that now I rest a little because I really was tired. I fell asleep. Then I woke up, remember that I have to do a video for today. Even though I have some videos that I can edit and upload, I wanted to give you guys the fresh look of the hair on the day. The fresh look of the hair on the day, so I decided to come on here. Alright guys, so hope you're enjoying your Christmas. Like, share, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload. For persons who are new, thank you very much for liking, thank you very much for subscribing, commenting. And this is Arthur Fly. Yeah, continue to watch my videos, scroll down on my videos and try and get familiar with things that I do and who am I. Alright, any questions you can always ask me in the comments below and I will respond. May that scratch me. Oh Lord. Guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that shampoo, you know. And I think I got a cut from the do-rag being so tight. But anyways, nevertheless, what must do, alright? Alright, so guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.